Yeah, Jackie, the trial was delayed for several hours today, but once testimony resumed here at the Criminal Justice Center around noon, the jury heard from several witnesses and even saw surveillance video from the night of the shooting. For a second day, prosecutor Sidney Pope presented evidence to a jury in the case against two men on trial for killing Philadelphia Police Sergeant Richard Mendez. Mendez was shot in October 2023, shortly after starting his shift at Philadelphia International Airport. Yobrani Martinez Fernandez and Hendrik Pena Fernandez are accused of being part of a theft ring targeting vehicles in the airport parking garage when they were interrupted by Mendez and Officer Raul Ortiz. Prosecutors accuse Yobrani of firing several shots, fatally striking Mendez and injuring Ortiz, while Hendrik acted as a getaway driver in a stolen black Dodge. Investigators say another suspect, Jesus Madeira Duran, was also shot in the parking garage and later died. One witness telling the jury she was trying to find her car when she heard gunshots and saw flashes, adding she heard somebody yell, "Drop your weapon." She told the court she hid because she was scared that she would have been seen and was terrified, and that she eventually heard and saw a black SUV screeching out of the garage. By that point, Officer Ortiz was on the phone with 911 dispatchers. In audio played to the jury, Ortiz is heard saying, "Two officers down. I'm shot in the arm. He's bleeding profusely. Hurry. Oh my God." Ortiz then repeatedly screams Officer Mendez's name and pleads for help. The jury also watched this surveillance video of two men prosecutors allege are Yobrani and Hendrik pulling up to chop in this stolen Dodge and dropping off Madeira Duran. Prosecutors then allege the two men drove to Cranberry, New Jersey, where they burned the Dodge in an effort to get rid of DNA evidence. Though prosecutors say phone records and other evidence link Yobrani and Hendrik to all three scenes. Hendrik's defense attorney cross-examined one of Pope's witnesses. Yobrani's attorney kept his cross limited, asking several witnesses if they ever saw his client. All of them said they could not identify him. And just days before this trial was set to begin, a third defendant, Alexander Batista Polanco, pleaded guilty. He is expected to take the stand at some point during the trial. Live outside the Criminal Justice Center in Center City, I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News.